Good morning, the students of class 8 Modern International School Hiswa. Dear students, I Om Prakash Sharma is standing before you to teach the topic of subject verb agreement. Dear students, as you know that subject any verb as if helping verb, main verb is used with the subject, but you will have to try to know. At first I want to tell personal pronouns. Personal pronouns, third person, that means he, she, it, and always it will be used with singular verbs, such as he reads, it helps me to study, she is a good girl, this is correct sentence. He, she, it, personal pronoun, and singular, so verb is also used with this subject as singular. If the subject of third person in plural number, then verb will be used plural. They read, plural. Here verb is plural because subject is here they. Dear students, one thing I want to tell you today that you listen carefully. If s or es added in the end of noun, then it will be plural, such as boy, boys, girl, girls, fly, flies, dog, dogs, elephant, elephants. But s or es according to situation we add in the end of verb, then it will be singular, and there is a condition. If the singular subject, then verb will also be singular. In a small sentence you write, he has a book. Here he singular, pronoun he as a subject singular, book singular, is singular, but in tense order you write, he reads. Fine. Reads, here he is singular and reads is also singular, then subject singular and verb singular. Just I told you, s or es added in the end of verb, then it will be made as singular verb. Ram writes a letter. Ram is singular and verb is also writes singular. Then we can say that Ram writes a letter. If anybody tell Ram write a letter, certainly you count it wrong, because Ram third person, singular number. Then you fluently speak, sir, write will not, because Ram third person, so here writes will be. So there is a condition. Certainly you have to understand the condition, the subject singular, the verb singular. That means verb, helping verb according to subject, and main verb also according to subject, but s or es added, then verb will be singular. Second person you is also used as singular sense and plural sense, but helping verb is also are used here plural. You are citizens of India. Here plural, citizens plural. If I tell you, you are a boy of my class, you are a student of my class, here only one student I indicate here only one student, but you are a student, not I can say that you is a student, it will be wrong. And first person pronoun I and we. I singular, so singular subject will be used as I. I am a girl, I am a teacher, I am a leader, I am a student, I am the principal of this institution, I am the science teacher of this school. That we can say that. But if the subject will be we are teachers. We are teachers. Why? Because we is plural, subject is here plural, so helping verb will be also used plural. In this condition, we used are as helping verb. And we plural and main verb such as we read and this school, we teach all of you. We teach all of you, except the exception condition of I, because I is singular. I is singular and verb is in main verb plural, such as I read. If the student want to talk me, sir, I is singular, but main verb is singular here. So this is exceptional case. I read, not I reads. If I tell you I reads, it will be wrong. But if the subject third person singular number, then the main verb also will be singular verb. The principal sir teaches the subject of science. It will be correct because subject here singular, principal and verb is also teaches here singular. Dear students, I expect that you will certainly understand what I want to tell you. Okay, if you have any problem, you can ask on my WhatsApp or on my personal phone. Thanks.